God whose name is love, happy children we, listen to the hymn that we sing to thee. Help us to be good, always kind and true, in the games we play or the work we do. How long do you really think a boy needs or a girl needs to court before they get married? How long? 2, 3, 4, 5? I don't know. I leave that in the comment section for you to answer. What I think from my own perception is that if a boy sees a girl that he likes, likewise the girl too, she sees a boy that she likes, and both are financially stable, I don't think there's any need dragging this for too long. Because one thing, there's always a chemistry between two people. If you see a woman that you like, there's a chemistry, there's something that will make you know, I like this woman, I want to spend the rest of my life with her. And the woman, same. Something has to click. Click, click. There's no point dragging for years, just enjoying that person. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's just the awareness I'm creating, because most people they don't talk about this. You see a girl can be with a boy 5 years, 4 years, she's still cutting. The boy too is cutting. They just keep cutting, cutting. And at the end of the day, we don't hope for such. But it does happen. They split. The boy sees another girl he loves. He said, oh, it's not this one. And he barely will spend a year with that one. And he marries her. Likewise, the girl too. She sees a man she loves. In less than even 1 year, she's gotten married to that man. And the other one's heart is broken. So you see what I mean. If you really click, if you see somebody and you click, and you know you are financially stable, there's no point dragging. If you really feel you want to marry, that's what I mean. Not for those that are not, because there are some people they don't want to. But if you are in the category of those that really want to settle down, then I just feel you just do it. You formalize it the way you can, as simple as you can. As simple as you can. So you know you are both married officially. There's no point continue to check and wait and years counting. What are you still waiting for? What are you checking about this woman or about this man? And remember, the longer the relationship, the more stories about this same girl, or the most, I know we all don't, you have to find out anyway, but I'm still saying this. The more negative stories might come up. This girl, she's this boy, is this. And maybe it's not true. Then you start cracking your brain on that. Instead of focusing more on that relationship or finding out if really this man is for me or this woman is for me. If you are out there and you are still in a very long relationship going and you really want to get married to this person, I would sincerely advise, think about it and just do what you both feel you can in a simple manner. You might be thinking of the financial aspect of it. Oh, you need money for a very elaborate gown or this one, that one, that one. No, whatever money you have, plan it with the person involved, either the man or the woman. You just do the simple thing. There are many more years to live together. Because if you are still waiting to say, I want to know everything about this man, I want to know, is it the way the man farts or the way the woman sleeps and snores? What else do you want to know? Or is it the stretch mark or the back of the woman or the legs? Or is it the big eyes of the man? What else is there to know? Or is it the man's old the father, grandfather, grandmother, everything? Or where they have kept all their money? Or where the woman have kept all their, or is she, the position she is in her house? So, my dear, let us all make up. I don't believe in dragging things. I believe if you see what you like and you really want to do it, go ahead. It's not wrong cutting with a man, or a woman. You can cut as long as you want to. But I'm just saying this in my own opinion, that it's time, because you can't know everything. There's difference, great difference between marriage itself and courtship. So just look around all of this and see the way, you can just make it cool for yourself. Sometimes you have to be selfish, and being honest. Be selfish, have yourself, and do things right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, there's a red button, click on that to subscribe. There's a bell, crong, crong, crong. Click on that. Anytime there's a video, you will get a notification from us. And don't forget to thumbs up and share. HOB, thank you. Thank you.